the new Silicone MagSafe cases from Apple. There's 8 of them, one in black, stone gray, lake green, denim, ultramarine, plum, fuchsia, and starfruit. Today we're previewing them with my natural titanium 15 Pro until the 16s arrive. Give this a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. Plum is back. I thought I could match my Plum watch band from 2020, but it's actually a different color. Actually, the later dark cherry matched better. Plum's a deep and alluring dark color. It's a warm kind of purple, which I'm glad Apple does more often now. I like how it's dull enough to easily match more things than you would vibrant colors. If that matters to you, take a look. Until the 16 Pro arrives, here it is with the 15 Pro, which almost fits.
Use a speaker grill?
Fuchsia. It's like pink, but turned up to high volume. Love how we've got bolder options this fall. Fuchsia next to last season's pink. Ultramarine, a vibrant kind of blue. Reminds me of Capri Blue from 2020. In my eyes, it's definitely more of a primary blue with the smallest drop of violet. Brings me back to design school, where this color was used as a primary blue for paint. Check it out. Toning it down with denim. Apple seems to have a navy-like color every season. Last year and the year before that it was storm blue. Must be selling. I think it's because it matches so many things. Like I hear a lot of people buy navy suits as their first suit color. This one seems like a slightly lighter and dustier tone than last year's storm blue. Lake green, another toned down color. Also cooled down with a blue undertone, like a tree in a shade. Generally dark, but more of a mid-tone out in the sun. Speaking of midtones, stone gray is one of the most neutral of them all. Not dark or light, more of a true gray compared to last year's warmer clay color. Check it out.
Clay stone gray.
Starfruit, the brightest color of them all. I'm glad we have a loud and happy yellow this time around. It's not subdued like lemon zest, nor so warmed down like last year's sunshine. Simply a bright yellow to me. Last but not least, the most classic, black. I honestly don't think Apple makes the deepest black, which is okay. I guess we'll leave it to third-party brands with alternate materials like leather or fake leather. Always a must-have for the black iPhone. Which one did you like the most? I hope this helped preview the cases before the iPhone 16s come out. If so, give it a like, or super thanks, and subscribe for more. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching.